Come and join us today at Chocolate Kingdom in Orlando, Florida. We're going to show you the highlights of the tour, customizing your own chocolate, and the shop.
Alright, today we're at the Chocolate Kingdom.
And we're gonna try some chocolate. We're gonna make chocolate bars.
Alright, we're going to do custom chocolate bars. They make it right there. We pick our toppings. Let's go show you around.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
And a big thank you to Chocolate Kingdom for inviting us out and including the tour and our visit. We did buy the chocolate for $9 a bar, which is really good because they are heavy and they have lots of topping inside. I couldn't film a whole lot of the tour because they don't want me to spoil everything, but basically you learn about how chocolate is made, where it comes from, and its history. You are allowed to take as many pictures as you want of the rooms that you go into, and I was allowed to film the samples that we are given. They said the cacao tree is actually named food of the gods because when they ate those beans, they felt like they had godlike power, so that was really interesting. And he shows what it looks like inside just so you have an idea. It's a great educational tour. And he also explained that chocolate comes from all over, so you can see it highlighted on the map.
You like milk chocolate? Milk chocolate's the most popular for sure.
So you can actually buy these. They're roasted cocoa beans and they have a different taste to them, but they're pretty good. I think they're more so for adults, but the kids didn't mind it. What do you think, Pumpkin? Do you like it? It's different. They also have a storyline of a prince, princess, and a dragon, so it's really cute for the kids. And then in the next room, you learn about the Aztec Emperor Montezuma. Apparently, he would drink 50 cups of chocolate a day. He loved it. And you learn about how chocolate has changed. Of course, it's been made more sweet, and you learn about the beginning of Hershey and Cadbury. And you get another sample this time. It is in liquid form. Thank you.
Is this hot chocolate from Mexico?
It's our take on
He
it.
said it's from like a little bit everywhere, right?
This would have been Mexico for sure.
Mexico.
Oh
Oh, wow. Woo! This is strong. It's really good though. Do you like it? The next room, almost everything in this case is chocolate, which is really neat. And then you set up for a game, which is throwing a marshmallow into the dragon's mouth with a catapult. Nice! Do it, do it, do it!
The first thing I do is come back and pick it up.
Oh. All right, here, try again. Oh, almost. And then they give us a third sample, which is actually one of their chocolate covered marshmallows with the milk chocolate. So that was a nice surprise. And we go into the room that shows us how they make their chocolate. How is it? That's good. Let me see, buddy. Let me see. Is it good? Okay.
We want to turn these into chocolate. So the next thing we got to do is we got to grind them up one more time.
He shows how two of the different machines run, and then you can also see these ladies kind of constantly stirring the chocolate. I guess that's one of the processes too. And then we get our last sample, which is a shoe, which kind of fits the story of the princess where they melt her shoes, and you get dark milk and white chocolate. Which one do you like? You like dark? Yeah, you don't like dark. You like white?
I like dark.
You like dark?
Okay.
Vanessa prefers the white and milk chocolate, but Buddy Boy and I like all three. And at the very end, you can see these really neat molds made out of chocolate. They even have a hidden R2-D2 towards the right there. And then the last part of the tour is when you get your customized chocolate bar if you want to pay the additional $9. So you pick either dark milk or white chocolate. You can also add a name for an extra $1, and then you have a bunch of different toppings to choose from. You can pick 3. There's M&M's, cranberries, pretzels, pecans, almonds, cashews, peanuts, peanut butter chips, mini marshmallows, bacon, caramel, cayenne pepper, and Rice Krispies, coffee, and cacao nibs. So lots of different options to choose from. It was really difficult to pick. We all got milk chocolate to start with, and then Buddy Boy picked marshmallows, M&M's, and peanut butter chips. It takes about 7 minutes for them to put it in the fridge for it to harden, so we walk around the shop after they're done. Vanessa picked pretzels, mini marshmallows, and caramel. We did get one for Rick to take home, which was M&M's, Rice Krispies, and I believe he got the cacao nibs or cocoa nibs. And then I am a huge coffee fan, so I wanted, of course, to put those coffee beans. They were kind of grinded up, but they're coffee inside, and I picked caramel or caramel, however you want to say it, and pecans. So even if you don't want to do the tour, you can come inside and just buy what they have up front. I will show you everything they have, and it's right close to SeaWorld and Universal, so very convenient. So in the tour, they did a really good job about explaining how chocolate is made. And then there's this little book on here too. It's pretty cool. And then look guys, there's chocolate wine for $22. There's an 8-piece truffle box for $11.
I want that.
No, we got a special bar that you made. Wasn't that cool? So these are $4 bars too. There'd be 1% white M&M, so I'm sure they make them the same way that we just saw. Orlando chocolate's $11. Paint your body with milk chocolate. And then wine. Please don't touch it, it is real. Lollipops for $2.50. iPhone. And then there's solid bars for $3. $3 for a solid bar actually is pretty good. They have dolphin-shaped ones and alligator. I've actually seen the alligator ones before somewhere. Maybe Gatorland. The cocoa beans. Oh, you can eat them like how we tried. Cocoa bean crunch. It actually wasn't bad. It was a different flavor. $12.50 for mugs, $20 for the tote bag with the little like characters on it. And then they have pretzel bites for $8. And these lollipops that are $2.50, which honestly again isn't bad. For $20 for the wine. Chocolate wine's $22 again. We saw them making these champagne glasses. That's $5. Hot chocolate to go. You have to place it into hot water. There's these little marshmallows we tried. Galactic robot. Oh my gosh. Okay. R2-D2 spaceship. Brickman, like Legoland. Chocolate soda. Interesting. These are $1.50. I mean, it's really not bad for it being like fresh like that. Because at the theme parks, you're gonna pay at least $3 to $4 for like a little sample. There's turtles. So if you come here, you want chocolate, definitely come here because the prices are really fair. $1.75. I mean, for it being like made here, it's a great price. And like he said, the chocolate bar is the better deal because of the weight. So I was really impressed with most of these little truffles and things being $1.75 to $2.50. I'm just so used to theme parks charging a lot more, so it was really nice to see them having fair prices. So again, you can just come in here and buy the chocolate up front at the store. I would highly recommend at least coming in once. And I was able to speak with the owner, and he is the 3rd generation of chocolate makers, which was really interesting too because he has kept it in his family. We love finding unique places like this and other fun things to do in Florida. Let us know what else you would like to see. And a big thank you to Maddie and Lishy for helping support our channel. People like you help us to keep going and doing what we love.
Stay up and hit subscribe for more videos. Get our channel and subscribe. Subscribe. Cut.
Click these videos next if you want to see more unique things to do in Florida besides just the theme parks. And thank you so much for watching.